Hi there, Richard Heine here. Welcome to Hypnotic Journey Instant Wealth Program. Now I'm super excited for you because I remember how I used to be. I always went from, feast to famish, the typical poverty virus thing, and I could never keep my money together. Whatever I've made, I've lost it, or rather I spent it. So that's not very useful, especially I know a lot of people take it to extreme and they just growing their depth instead of their wealth. So I know it's especially a problem in the US, and it's just very unfortunate. Now I've studied money, and I took classes on took courses on finances, how to manage my wealth and things like that, and it's been fantastic. And one thing that I found was that it all starts with a mindset. That mindset's here, right here. And that's what we're going to take care of in this program. I'm going to help you think more like a rich person, or rather, whatever is preventing you from being rich, we will take care of that. We will dissolve that, right? Now, I want you to understand that this is not a course on, on finances. I'm not going to be giving financial advice or investment advice. Besides, I don't really legally I can do that. So that's not what you're going to find there. So whatever else you need to figure out, like if you're trying to start the business, how do you exactly do that? How do you go about that? You need to educate yourself about that. So go do that. And if you find that something is preventing you from reaching that goal, you can come back here to this program and take care of that. So there's no more barriers, no more blockages, no more cliffs, nothing holding you back. But you still have to walk the walk, okay? You just gotta do that, okay? If you want to be rich, wealthy, financially independent, whatever, you have to do a little bit towards that, right? It's gonna take some effort. I hope you realize that. But I'm going to make it as easy as possible and as painless as possible with this program, okay? Alternatively, if you're missing other skill sets, maybe you're lacking confidence or maybe motivation, I have other programs for that, but for the most part, this program will be everything you need. Now, here's the beauty of this program. It's a hypnotic journey, and I will set the scene in a way so that you're presented with a guide that comes from your unconscious mind. It's essentially materialization of your unconscious mind. This guide is very interactive. You can ask your guide whatever questions you have, right? Whatever worries you have. So I want you to realize that as you're pursuing your riches, your wealth, financial independence, whatever it is exactly, and you're coming across all sorts of problems, or maybe you have too many opportunities, maybe, I could do this, I could do that, I don't know what to do, right? You can come back to this program and to your guide and ask your guide for advice. Hey, what do you think I should do? Should I pursue this path, or this path? And maybe you'll get straight answer. You're like, just this path. Just forget about the other ones. Just go this path. All right, go ahead and do that. Maybe you're like, we don't have enough information. We don't know enough. You need to ask somebody for advice. How about that one guy that you've met at that party a long time ago, right? Maybe he knows something, or he knows somebody you can introduce you to, right? You can get directions where to take it, right? So I want you to, as I advertised, whatever's keeping you from becoming wealthy, we'll take care of that. We'll take care of your mindset, right? I want you to think a little bit beyond that and really use this program to its fullest potential, because I purposefully made it artfully vague enough for you to fit in other problems that may or may not come up along the way, so that you can always come back here and take care of whatever comes up, not only just now, but down the road as well. So with that, just put it in the back of your mind. You don't need to worry about too much about the future. Take care of what's right now in front of you, and really, take it as far as you can. I just want you to put it in the back of your mind, just in the back of your head, and if something comes up, you know where to turn. So with that happy thought, go on inside and have a joyful time. Bye-bye.